Welcome to our channel.
Hello kids. Let's learn easy English sentences together.
I am Sam. Repeat slowly. I am Sam. Now you try. I am a boy. I am a girl. Repeat with me. I am a boy. I am a girl.
This is a cat. Repeat. This is a cat. That is a dog. Repeat. That is a dog. It is a ball. Repeat. It is a ball. Great job kids. You learned easy sentences today. Like the video. Subscribe for more fun learning. Bye bye. See you next time.
Thanks for watching.